Unbox my StyleKorean Advent Calendar with me. 24 days of awesomeness. Day 1. Purcell Pixel Biome. I have not tried this yet. Day 2. 2 different items. Zipaderm EGF Skin Barrier Cream Toner. Colorgram Fruity Glass Tint Lip Balm. Look how pretty that is. Day 3. Benton Honest Eyelash Serum. Help your eyelashes grow super long. Day 4, multiple items. Tree Cell Triple Bonding Treatment. Now this is for your hair. Love Tree Cell products. CosRx Peptide 132, the Ultra Perfect Hair Bonding Oil Serum. Really, one pump is all I need. This is gonna last me forever. Lagome Cellus Sun Gel. SPF of 50 and a PA of 3 pluses. Day 5, Access Y Vegan Collagen Eye Serum. I love an eye serum before my eye cream. Day 6, Celamax Retinol Shot with retinol, panthenol, and 9 peptides. Day 7, with multiple items, Tacoba Blur Finish Sun Cushion Sunscreen in a cushion. SPF of 50 and a PA of 4 pluses. And you peel it off and you just tap it on. This would have been great at SeaWorld. Rutan Alpha Argan Treatment for Women. We have a shampoo and a conditioner, and this is supposed to help prevent hair loss. Aromatica Rosemary Root Enhancer. And it's a little mini travel. Day 8, K Secret Soul, a 1988 Retinol Serum. Retinol liposome 2% and black ginseng. Day 9, ROAS Sea Salt Therapy Scalp Scaler. Day 10, Medicube Deep Vita C Capsule Cream. The little boba beads and a little scoop to get out the little boba beads and customize it for what your face needs. Day 11, Hints Raw Glow Dewy Ball. Oh, that's pretty. Day 12, this one's heavy and big. And there's a reason for that. Salmon Caring Centella Toner. Now, I have used this before and I do really like it, and I needed another one. It is from Heavy Blue. Look at how big that is. The Biodance Collagen Mask to Foam Cleanser. So I just finished off one of these, so yay for getting another one. Use it as a normal cleanser, or you can put it on dry, let it sit for a few minutes, and then rinse it off so it works as a mask to foam cleanser. Number 13, Zeroid Soothing Cream. Great for dry or sensitive skin. I have not used this yet, but I've used other products in the line and I've really liked them. 14, a twofer, Tiptoe Jelly Stick in Strawberry. Look at that color. Elixir Vegan Lip Butter in Agave, which is clear. 15, another twofer, Fully Green Tomato Clay Pack Cleanser. Love this one. Mary and May Ida Benone Blackberry Intensive Cream. I have used this line before and I really like that. 16, the Poromizing Quick Stick Clay Mask. It's fun to use, it's easy to travel, easy to store. This is my go-to for my travel masks. 17, Dr. Althea 147 Barrier Cream for normal to dry skin type. And the VT Garlic AC Riedel Shot Spot Cream. And I have a couple spots where I need this. I needed it. Does not smell like garlic. Does not feel like garlic. The Dalba First Spray Serum. It's a bi-phase serum, so you have to shake it up, and it smells amazing and it feels amazing and it gives you that nice glow. I love this. Beauty of Josie on Sunscreen. Relief Sun Aqua Fresh Rice with SPF of 50 and a PA of 4 pluses. The Sea Puri Scalpy Hair Serum. I've used a couple scalp serums. I'm so excited to try this one. I've heard great things about it. 19, Anua PDRN and Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Super for moisturizing. 20, Foodology Cut Pro Dietary Supplement, and there's 60 capsules in here. 21, Heimish All Clean Balm. This is what I'm currently using. Well, not this one, but this brand. 22, Orencia Red Smoothie Serum 30 with collagen, niacinamide, and peptides. 23, Purito Oat In Calming Gel Cream with oat seed water. 24, this is the final day. The Chamiso Blackhead Softener. But wait, there's more. This is the special kit. In addition to the product, it contains a cap to make it easier to dispense, toner pads so you can place it where you need it, and dual tip extractors. I don't know what to try first. What would you try first? What would you be most excited to try first? This is available only on StyleKorean.com starting November 7th. It's an over $700 value, yours for $160.